Hey, in this video, we will take our Garmin Montana 700 and pair it to our smartphone using Garmin Explore. Now, in the previous video, we did the initial Bluetooth pairing between the device using Garmin Connect. Recommend you do that prior, otherwise this is not going to work as well. Once you've done that, you can tap on the devices down at the bottom tray and tap on Pair Device. Now this will bring us a list of compatible Garmin devices that is registered to our Garmin account, our Garmin Connect account. Also have an option to see the unsupported devices. So we're just going to tap on that and just show you all of my Garmin devices that I've had over time that are not compatible with Garmin Explorer. Now with that, we're going to tap on the Montana 700 and we're going to pair the device. Now again, you need to do the setup with Garmin Connect on your smartphone with the Montana before you get to this step. Once you have it, all you need is the Montana turned on and in range, and this will take a few seconds to complete. Once it's done, it's going to do an initial sync. And we're going to flip it over here. Now, a couple things I want to take a look at. Let's take a look at sync settings to explain. If you are a brand new user to the Garmin Explorer, you may want to choose sync everything. However, if you are a user that has been using Explore for a while or have inReach, using the inReach portal, you may want to choose sync collection or sync selection so that you can pick a collection to sync your uploads. Otherwise, if you have multi-year of activities and tracks in your account, it's going to take a very long time for your Montana to finish the sync. So be aware about that. Other thing is the software updates. There's two ways to update your Montana, obviously via the USB cable with Garmin Express or wirelessly via Garmin Connect on your smartphone. After a while, after the sync is done, you'll see a third option called Sync Current Activity that you can toggle on and off. But other than that, once you're at this stage, you're pretty much good to go. And that is how you add Garmin Explorer to your Garmin Montana 700.